we are here, Sydney, Anaga, Fernandez. We are here at the Porvorim Junction, traffic signal कड़े. आका या stoppak गुळ्या कडेन म्हणटा. Because of this monument, वयर गुळो आसा, that is ball finial. Okay, this is a commemorative column which is commemorating the construction of a road linking Panjim with Mapsa. This road highway, it's Borella Estrada means highway. There's a Portuguese inscription in it. It was constructed in 1910, that road. Okay. And this monument was built in 1935. In fact, 1910 it was built and renovated in 1935 for the inscription. So we want that the flyover which is coming, that flyover should not knock this down, because recently one chapel was knocked down there. Okay, so we are just 2 days back. So we are worried that this might be knocked down. This is a historical monument which should be preserved, I feel. Now, we are not opposed to the flyover. Flyover is needed, because it creates a bottleneck. To ease the traffic, the flyover is needed. But what we are saying is, while constructing the flyover, this should be preserved, or it should be relocated somewhere close by. This is our demand. We invited the press just to create this awareness that this is a monument which most people don't know, and it should be preserved for posterity.
You said chapel also was knocked down. What was this chapel?
Recently, one chapel along this road was knocked up. Yesterday, I think.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Day before.
Actually, opposite Dr. Sidney Pinto's hospital, in the corner.
And they relocate केला.
No. It is totally demolished.
तुमका बा लोकांक बा काय
आमका
सांगना.
कोणाक आमका खबरूच ना. We did not know at all. In fact, after it was demolished, more or less that time only we came to know. But nobody made noise about it. I was surprised. And now another worry is that Wadakad in the word as our that also might be. So even when they are doing it, it has to be relocated, like the Santines banyan tree. So this worst to worst, we suggest that it should be relocated somewhere here close by, but should not be demolished.
Can you tell me about this chapel belong which all
No, we don't have an idea, because we can't stay without any information. But it was existing. The only thing is removed.
removed or demolished?
Demolished.
Demolished.
You'll see only pile of
Stones there.
stone that is.
But nobody asked like why. Why
There is no comment. We have not heard anything. We have not read
No,
anything.
even it is not in the papers.
Even press
Press has not reported it.
Where was this exactly located?
Exactly opposite to the Sidney Pinto Hospital.
Sydney
You have
Pinto.
heard of Candelaria Chapel? Candelaria Chapel. On the opposite side.
कोणाक कॉन्फिडन्सान काय गेला असं
I don't know. We don't know that. आता घेतलेलं खबर ना. Because हांवें विचारलेलें पॅरिसान थंय. They are saying that main things have been kept. But the main things कितें दवरला ते तुका खबर ना.
मग तांकां खबर आहा तर
खबर आहा. So if suppose one of you can go into
But it is nowhere it is reported. Nowhere it has come in any press. It has just got unnoticed. But then photographs were sent to me that it is completely reduced to rubble.
But is it not surprising like suddenly instead of relocating it and all?
Yeah, it is not nothing. So nothing is there to relocate because it is completely demolished.
anything
Well,
that is historical and cultural is
So,
built before the
worried
present
about
time should be taken dimensions first, detailing of it should be done if you relocate. And there should be a kind of a public outreach to inform them. It can be of any community, I am not saying that, but that comes afterwards. First thing is to preserve the past. Also, modernness will come, the past has to be maintained. What's the use? How will he come to know what this meant if it is broken down? No one will come to know.
We are worried only about this now, this monument also, which is quite a beautiful, unique architecture. There's a stoppak suda गुळ्या कडेन म्हणटा because of that ball finial. That's an architectural feature. So, and there is an inscription. This should not be demolished. It's part of the street furniture, and अशें गोंयांत जायते कडेन अशें आसा. Commemorative columns आसा, दवर्णी आसा, जायते आसा. So I feel that it should be preserved as a historical legacy. Okay, so irrespective who has built it, we are not interested, but it should be preserved as historical. That's all.
हेजे इन्फॉर्मेशन ना तुकडे प्रजल बाबा कोणे तुमकां धाडला चॅपल ते डेमॉलिश केला पळय ते
Photographs आयले म्हाका, photographs धाडले, मोडिल्ले, it is reduced to rubble. So by the time we came to know that that chapel is being demolished, and a photograph धाडलो, is going to be demolished. I was in college, immediately it was demolished, and then the photographs were. But what I was surprised that nobody around that area made a noise. Nobody knew about it, and it is not reported anywhere in the press.
And the chapel was dedicated to any saint. तो कितें खबर आहा
The
तुमकां?
chapel was dedicated to-
Yes,
That's small chapel.
so basically it's a historical.
See, that's the reason. Everything that is coming in this elevated highway, everything is a threat. Even if it's not coming directly in the way, this is heavy machinery work that is going to happen here. Even if the monument gets damaged, it is lost. How we know that the road was built in 1910? Because the monument is there. How will our future generations know about the place? We are losing so much of history because it is not documented properly. Here there is something tangible, something you can see. It has to be preserved.
Uday Baba, are you trying to find out about this chapel? Exactly कितें आनी कितें ते? So that you can.
Chapel now it is
Or
already
demolish the
gone. So
the
we
photo
are-
am photograph am.
photograph is already gone. So at least we are trying to save this monument.
This
So,
monument,
in
the
fact,
Vadakade tree.
Sydney thought about it that Gula is there, so that might be destroyed.
Because of that incident in
Because of
the.
that incident,
We didn't expect that they would do
Yeah.
it, so blatantly. We
Just
thought
half
कि
a day.
news and सांगतले, call the people, community आपयतले, तांकां सांगतले.
That chapel was demolished in half a day, less than half a day.
so this is we are worried about this monument now. This should not be demolished.
So what आसा?
Vadakade is a
हे
landmark.
गुळ्याकडेन ते वड्याकडेन असे ते नावा
हय.
पुरवरीचे
These are all heritage landmarks.
लँडमार्क्स.
आणि हे डेमोलिश करता पळय ते खबर नासतना पळय डेमोलिश करता काय हिस्ट्री खबर
that
नासतना.
is the thing na.
Basically, the construction contractors that are there, they are not of a local lining. They have no idea what they are touching. They have been told कि आमकां इतके widening करपाक मोड
The चार खांबे आसा पळय that
It is our
whole
duty.
Balgaon has gone inside.
Yeah, yeah.
So I went there and I spoke to the contractor. तो contractor हमको कुछ पता नहीं. MLA से बात करूँगा. मतलब आदो Rudolph Fernandez. So then Ketak and all told me that चार खांबे there is a plan to restore it because that Balgaon has completely gone inside. So what we have, all these little landmarks which are there, the Tonka pillar and all that was saved. We are now worried about this. This is a unique monument. So I feel that through the press, we are trying to create awareness that such a monument exists. Most people don't know that it is in the side, no corner. So while doing the construction of flyover, this should be
Preserved.
saved or relocated at least. That's the whole. See, there is a detailed inscription of every person's name,